Alright, so another video here working on replacing the fuel filter on the C32 AMG. So that's the old filter here. So obviously I started replacing it. So I'm just going to show you how this mounts. So this obviously is here. Okay, there's one, there's two, so one from the pump, one from the tank, and those are the ones going to the car here with the breather. Okay, so this cover here, you have to release it. So there's one 10mm here, another one all the way there here. You don't have to take it all off all the way. I just put here that piece of wood just to keep it open here. And there's this guy here with this C20 screw. Those are the 10mm for the cover, two of them. So this guy goes from the back here. So it's under this for sure. Just go here and screw goes in here. It's not that hard. Once you open it, you'll see it. Okay, for those clamps, you just want to get the vice grip, hold it, twist it, and it releases. You can use a screwdriver, take it out. So once you have it released, so just start with these two. Once these two are out, this is easier to go down. Release the small one first, then the bigger one after. And that replacement part here is ready. So brand new part from Rock Auto. So it shows you direction anyways if you got confused. It's very easy though. So yeah, don't forget to get new clamps, because these ones you can't use them again. Just get the regular clamps so you can clamp it, tighten it, tool number 7 or 8, or a flat screwdriver. After you're done, prime the car. Don't start the car, just open the ignition to position on twice, so the pump fills this filter. Start the car and come back down here, check for leaks. Keep it running for like 2-3 minutes, 4 minutes. There's no leaks, you're good to go. Put it back together, secure it with the housing for it here. Put the screw, put this back, 1, 2 10mm, and you're good to go. Thank you very much.